If you snooze, you lose. If you think long, you think wrong. If it feels good, do it. A man named Worm told me this 12 years ago on a little island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean called Ascension, and it got stuck in my mind. And today I want to give you my productivity tip for the day. Hi happy people, yumiandhappiness.com. Helen, let's get right to it. First sentence is, if you snooze, you lose. Napoleon Hill said successful people make decisions quickly and firmly, and they change them slowly, if at all. How to make a decision quickly. I'm going to give you 2 practical ways today. Make a list, pros and cons. The numbers don't lie, count it up. If you've got more pros than cons, then you've made your decision. Second, most reliable way to know how to make the right decision and to take action is just to trust your feelings. Like even sometimes when I make a pros and cons list, I already know when I start making the list. I'm not feeling it. And I would put that as a con on my cons list, is I'm just not feeling it. But I already know I'm going to go with the feeling one. And you can always trust your feelings. Second sentence is, if you think long, you think wrong. Again, Napoleon Hill. Unsuccessful people make decisions slowly. They change them often. Why do people make decisions slowly? Again, two things here. It's fear. Fear gives you paralysis, paralyzes you. Fear is an illusion. It stands for false evidence appearing real. Just decide, I'm going to grow some balls and I'm not going to be scaredy pants anymore. I've talked about fear many times before. I'm not going to go into detail now, but just know when you can't make a decision, it's because you have fear. Just ban it from your life, ban it from your mind, and just say, okay, no, I'm just going to jump. Like I'm always like that, I'm just going to jump. Just don't think about it, Helen, because this is fear. And then another reason why you make decisions slowly, and I'm quite guilty of this, I've become much better with it. It's daydreaming. I can stare into the clouds, into the sky. I mean, I can sometimes I don't even know. I'm just like up in the clouds. And this is a daydreaming habit. And this is something that you can change. Because that's also withholding you from taking action. And that is what results in making decisions slowly. Then the third thing here is, if it feels good, do it. Source Grid has given us our intuition, and this is our fail-proof guidance system. You can always trust your intuition. You can always trust your feeling. A little method here I want to give you is just when you have to make a decision or you want to take action in your day and you're like in that limbo mode, just close your eyes, put your hand on your heart space and just feel. Another technique is visualization. For example, if you have this pros and cons list, or you have these 2 options, close your eyes and just visualize. Visualize this picture of this one choice, what it's going to be like, and then assess how that feels. And then do the same with the other option, assess how that feels, and whichever one feels better, that's the one you need to go for. To find out more about the happiness code, go to yumiandhappiness.com, and until next time, be happy, be free, and love your beautiful self.